Yes. Start, please.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Good.
I think, sir, there is no another participant.
Hello, guys. Who is there to participate with this individual, please?
Imtiaz, you
Hi.
can have with Sajjad, please start communication.
Okay. Okay.
We're running out of time, right, guys? Quick.
Hey, I like your shirt.
Thanks. It's new. I got it last week.
Very good.
Anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Where do you get it?
Got it.
I got it from the weekend market.
Good.
How much cost?
What did it
It
cost?
cost about $12.
Really? That's not
Oh.
too much.
It's a good price.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yeah, I like to wear hats, but only in the winter time when it is cool.
Cool.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
I think it's I just have this necklace that my friend gave to me.
Cool.
What do you think about fashion?
I think it is important to be in fashion.
Do you have a fire scare?
Ears.
No, I don't have a pierced ear.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I do.
What is the tattoo of?
It's a big belly scary monster.
Really?
Oh, really? Wow. Can I see it?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, here's my tattoo.
Wonderful, guys. You've done a good job. Yeah, I really like it. And I